type L for line, enter, and then to specify first point just click and then okay, press F8 for auto and then type 170 and enter for the first line. Continue another line which have convert with the value you divide by 50 for scale 1 to 50. Example, this line is 3000 divided by 50 is 60. Okay, enter. And then continue, refer to the our question. Okay, so 3000 divided by 50 is equal to 60. Okay, type 60 and enter. And then the third line, okay, refer to the question is 2500. Okay, 2500. So 2500 divided by 50 is equal to 50. Okay, so equal to 50, just type 50. Okay, enter and continue. Particularly, okay, for this line is 3000, so divide by 50 is equal to 60. Same like previous line. Okay, and then we go back to the left with the dimension 2500. We type 50 and then go upward. Okay, 1700. Yeah, so convert to the scale is 34. So 34, and then we just type refer to the question is 1700, so divide by 50 is 34. Okay, so we need to type 34 in question. Okay, just type 34. Okay, since we look our drawing, our plan is out of our block, our side, so we need to move. We just click move and then move our drawing downward. Alright, okay, so we can continue our line, our drawing. So now just like line, okay, and then continue to the left side. Okay, so our left side is 8500, so it's the same 170. Just type 170, enter, and then we continue. We just continue the line. Okay, alright, just click endpoint. Okay, so that's as outer of our. To make our line join together, all the line join together like a region, so we can use command PEDIT, PEDIT. So and then just click select one line and then yes, and then join. Choose join and then enter, and then select all the line. Okay, so enter and enter. So after enter, you find your drawing, your line is joined. Alright, we refer to the drawing, to the question. So this thickness of the wall. Thickness of the wall and given 125 mm. So we convert to the drawing. 125 divided by 50 is 2.5. So offset 2.5. Okay, here you see you offset inside. Offset to inside 2.5. Okay, so after that, okay, we need to exclude. Exclude. After we join, we exclude. We exclude. Okay, to become when we exclude, become separately. And then, okay, here is now the drawing have separate, and then we need to go to the another command, extend. So extend. Why need to extend? Because we go to the question we lead, get this column, the column of the house, this the small square. So the line is joined. We need to make a small square at the corner of the house. Okay, so how to make the small square? So we can use the command extend. Let the extend under the trim, or you can type EX. EX for extend. Alright, first you click the limit of extend line, so then enter, and then click the line you want to extend. Okay, first click to the limit and then enter. Okay, enter, and then you click the line you want to extend. So you do for all the corner the same. Just click enter and then continue, extend the line. Okay, that's the way how to draw the small square at the corner. Small square is as or is the column of the house, acting as a column of the house. Alright, all the corner. So all the corner we need to put the column. Alright. Okay, so all the corner. Okay. Okay, so we have finished do all the column. Okay, the next is we want to draw the we refer to the question. What we need to, okay, that is our question. Okay, D1, what is D1? D1 is a sliding door. Sliding door. W1 is a swing window. D2 is swing door. Okay. W2 is swing door, double swing door, swing window. Sorry, swing window. Here is triple swing window. Swing window. Okay. Okay. Now we want to draw the sliding door. So refer to the question. Okay, you as an architect, you have to make your windows, door must position must put correctly. Alright, so we need to divide. We divide. Take the midpoint. From the midpoint, we just you see the triangle. So from the midpoint, we draw the short line. Okay, you also can find from the by shift right click. Shift right click, you can find the midpoint. Okay, from the midpoint, you draw the short line, and then again, we need to find the mid from the middle of the house. Okay, because we want to put the sliding door center. So from mid between 2 points. So how we draw the line? Just okay. Between 2 points, we want to get the middle point. Okay, so now we can start from line, and then okay, shift right click. Now just shift right click. Okay, find mid between 2 points. Okay, this point and another point. Okay, so automatic this point, the midpoint between 2 points we can get, and then we draw the short line. Okay, so after that, okay, we can start to draw our sliding door. So our sliding door is we refer to the legend. The width of sliding door is 2700, and then the height of sliding door is 2100. Okay, so we need this measurement, so we need to divide by 50, because we follow the scale of 1 to 50. Alright, so now we just offset. Okay, so 2700 we need divide by 50 is 54. Okay, 2500 divided by 50 is 54. Okay, now so 54 we divide by 2 is 27. So the width is 54, so we divide by 2 is 27, so we need to offset on the left and on the right. This line we offset. Just type offset. Okay, or click offset, O enter, and then type 27. Okay, just click this line, then offset offset to the left and offset to the right. Okay, so we finish offset. Okay, so we can trim the line. Okay, we trim line to left. Okay, sorry, we trim the line. Okay, and then we get this length. 54 is 2700 for real. Okay, now that's the small gap, what we call the frame, the frame thickness of frame. So thickness of frame in our question is 50 mm. 50 mm. So 50 mm we divide by 50. 50 mm divide by 50. Okay, that's this question told me the frame is 50 mm. Okay, we divide by 50, we get 1 mm. So the frame is 1 mm. Just offset 1 mm. Offset to the left for the left side. Okay. Careful, don't miss. You offset your line to the wrong side. Okay. So we have finished to do the frame for our sliding door. Alright. It's a 1 mm. 1 mm frame, thickness of frame. Alright. Now we refer to our question. Okay, the sliding door have a 3 panel, which slide from right to the left. Okay, so we have a 3 like a 3 layer, 3 layer the sliding. Okay, the sliding, and then we need to divide to 3. Okay, so our length is 54. So you hit the calculator. 54 divided by 3 is equal to 18. Okay, so we offset 18, and then we can remove the center, the midline we can remove. Okay, we just leave the 3 division. Okay, divide by 3, and then you see this line for sliding door for panel. For door panel, we have a 3 layer, but the layer from the top quite move quite lower from the so we need to okay, we trim first. We trim our line first. Okay, click trim, and then these 2 line as a cutting edge, and then we trim. Alright. Oh, sorry. Again, trim. We click type TR, enter for trim. Alright. Okay, we have trim, so we continue. We draw the line. So this line is separated. One line first, and then click, and then click. Okay, we have a 3 line. This line is separated. Okay. Okay. Now we need to offset this line. Okay. So the thickness of the wall is 2.5 mm. From 1 to 5 mm we convert, become 2.5. So 2.5 we divide by 4. 2.5 divided by 4, we get 0.625. 0.625. So we need to offset 0.625. Okay. Now okay, this we assume it move a little lower, quite lower. Okay, let's offset 0.25. okay, the second panel 0.625 times 2 is 1.25. so we offset 1.25 mm. Okay, and then for third layer, third panel is we offset to 1.875. Okay, now we can erase the unnecessary line. Okay, 1 2 3, okay, 4 5. Alright, We finished draw, but don't forget, for sliding door we need to put the arrow. Right, that arrows we need to put the arrow. The arrow. Okay, so just draw the line. Okay, we just put at the second and third panel, because the first sliding door is unmovable, cannot move. Okay, that's a fix. The second and the third panel will move to the left. Alright, so we copy. Just copy the arrow and put to another side. You hit F8 auto to make it the same level. Alright, we finish our sliding door. Okay, that's a sliding door. Now we go to another side. The other side is the W1 is this is a sliding door, and then we go to the other side. The W1 is swing window. Okay, triple swing window. Okay, we go to our question. Alright, this W1 triple swing window. Okay, triple swing window. The dimension of triple swing window is 1800 width, and the height is 1200. Okay, 1800. Calculate again. 1800 divide by 2. Why? To get the center. Alright, now first we find the midpoint. Okay, midpoint. Alright, draw the line, shift right click, and then find the mid. Mid between 2 points. Shift right click and then first point, second point. Okay, that snap that at the midpoint, mid between 2 points. Okay, we draw the short line. Alright, now we offset on the left and on the right 900. 1800 we divide by 50 first is 36. 36. So 36 divide by 2 is 18. So we need to offset from the center line is 18. Okay, 1800. Okay, 1800 divide by 1800 divided by 50, we get 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So we just offset 18 on the left and on the right. Okay, 18 to the left and 18 to the right. Okay, so the total length, total width is 36. Okay, and now we trim the line. Okay, you can trim. Okay, trim. Okay, that's our dimension, our measurement, our length for our swing window. Alright. Okay, swing window, we have a 3 windows, 3 swing window, triple swing window. So we need to divide by 3. Okay, we divide by 3. So offset. Okay, 54 divided by 3 is 36 is divided by 3 is 12. So we need to offset 12. 12 only. Alright. So after we offset 12 and then we have a 3, and then we offset 1 mm for frame. 1 mm because the frame is 50 mm divided by 50, you get 1 mm. Okay. Okay, another side, okay, 1 mm. Okay, for thickness, frame thickness. Okay, now you need to, okay, the swing window, we have the curve, the quarter of circle, meaning the path of swing window. Okay, so we can use arc or circle, okay, or you can type C, C, enter for circle, and then click at the end point. Okay, draw the full circle first, and then we want to draw the quarter circle. So we just connect the line from the end point. Okay, end point. Okay, and then snap to quadrant. Shift right click. Okay, quadrant. Quadrant of circle. Alright, so we can trim. Trim to be quarter of circle. Okay, just trim. Okay, click on the cutting edge, this cutting edge, and then we trim. Alright, finish for one swing window. So we have 3 window, so just copy. Okay, you also can draw another, but the easy, you just copy the okay, you can type CO, copy, just copy two object, and then click on edit this endpoint, and then move to the another endpoint. Okay, and then for the third endpoint. Alright, so finish our swing window. Okay, that's the swing window. Okay, another thing is okay, we can remove the center line. We have finished, so we need to okay, we refer to the question. So we have another equipment, like a door, swing window, another swing window, double swing window, triple swing window. So I hope all students can draw. This is a lower, what we call a lower windows. Okay. Okay, it's lower window, 1000 times 1000, 1200. Now we want to draw the hedge. Hedge meaning the brick wall. So our brick wall, we need to hedge. Okay, so what we need, we go to the icon hedge. Okay, hedge, or you can type H, enter. Just type H, enter. Alright, enter. Okay, so come with the solid NC NC 31, NC 32. Okay, so for our we choose NC 32. Okay, we choose NC 32. I just put okay, pick the area. Okay, just pick and click. Just click. Okay, that hash. Just click. Okay, click to another area. Don't do the mistake. If you mistake to click, the AutoCAD will hash to your drawing, the whole drawing. Alright. Okay, another point. Okay. But don't forget, you need to draw all the equipment, doors, swing window, lower windows before you draw the hatch. So I just show you how to do the hatch and how to draw the hatch. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all for today.